What's up, everybody? Just wanted to give you a quick look at my freshly rebuilt and detailed now YZ300 engine. Lots of vapor honing, vapor blasting, cerakoting, all kinds of upgrades inside that you can't see. I had a guy do this for me in West Virginia because I didn't have time to do it anymore, unfortunately. Just wanted to give everyone a nice little look. Yeah, this is 300cc cylinder, cerakoted head, cerakoted power valve cover, power valve actuator cover. Here also should be fantastic. This is going in my beloved Mr. White. I'll put a link down below for more videos about that bike, but it's probably my favorite dirt bike in the, numerous, I've probably had 25 or 30 bikes in my lifetime. I'm 57 years old now. I've had tons of different bikes, shapes and sizes, brands and whatnot, but this one is my favorite, so I wanted to give it some special treatment. But yeah, check out the playlist link down below. You can hear previous engines I've had in it. I used the Smart Carb 2 carburetor. I've also used the Lectron carb. I recommend the Smart Carb, quite honestly. I know some of you say, oh, the Kian is the best. Well, it's fine, but it is definitely not the best. Not the best performance, not the best tuning. The Kian carb is just good, and I have tuned numerous Kian PJ carbs in my years messing with dirt bikes and whatnot. Yeah, if you're looking to really splurge and go for the best performance, I highly recommend the Smart Carb 2. I'll put a link for that info on it. The little details are just ridiculous on it, the vapor honing, vapor blasting process. Totally fantastic. You can see in there, can't see. Anyway, yeah, look for the playlist link to pop up on more videos about Mr. White, my beloved YZ250, soon to be a 300. And I got social media links in the description. We have an eBay store also relating to motorcycle parts and tools, for ATVs, dirt bikes, scooters, stuff like that. So check it out. Facebook page also. All the links will be in the description. You'll have a fabulous day.